Hey, what's up YouTube? In this 5-minute video I show you how I remove my old 2005 to 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee WK exhaust system, specifically from a 3.7 liter V6, and how I install an aftermarket Magnaflow catback exhaust system, and the exact exhaust system is linked to in the description below. Now, I will tell you that the removal wasn't as straightforward as it should be because the two 12mm bolts that are holding the catback exhaust system on were frozen solid, and I actually had to take a hacksaw and cut them in half and then twist them off, as you could see here. You'll need to separate the exhaust system at these two exhaust hangers as well, this one and this one here. Here's the old exhaust system out. I actually had to take a Sawzall to it right at this point because we're not saving it. So cut it right there. It makes for easy removal. I also had to hacksaw the rear exhaust hanger. Here's a comparison of the old versus new system. The old muffler was about 30 pounds, and the new muffler was right around 23 pounds, so you save about 7 pounds for the new system. White lithium grease makes for easy removal of the old rubber exhaust hangers. Use liberally. We'll be reusing them on the new exhaust system. But if you need new ones, I link to the part numbers in the description to this video. And here's installing the back piece. You'll want to slide this bracket into the rear exhaust hanger. And the rest of the installation is pretty straightforward. Just make sure you reconnect your ground cable and follow the torque specs that were supplied in the literature. And that's it. Thanks for watching.